for the tree tab. Okay, for those people who are this tab is open for those people who passed after December 1st and have passed their LC exams. Okay? So if you didn't pass your LC exam, we have a tab open for you. It is a BR tab. So currently, it has around 40k tasks still available for you to work on. Okay, the BR tab. For the LC, we have around for the trees, we have around 50k tasks available, guys, for you to work on. So this will be a very easy tab, a very good tab for you to practice on, to master the tools. And yeah, so let's get starting. Okay, so first things first, before you start working, always read the banner so that you will know. Oh, sorry, wait. I didn't share my screen. Okay, so guys, is my screen clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So every time you start working, always read announcements and very importantly, read the banner. Okay, so every rules, every tab, every project, we have this different set of rules. This one is a tree tab. So all the rules is indicated or announced here on the banner. So project type, capture trees, capture missing parts of trees, capture single trees, exclude big grounds. Okay? Delete fake trees and do not use circle tool. So what is circle tool? So this is 7. So we use circle tool, for example, for silos, for huts. Okay? So normally they shape a circle. So we use the circle tool. But for trees, so people normally use we used to use 7 for this one, for this kind of trees. Okay, so it's very easy to capture single trees if we use 7, but since the client updated, this is not a normal shape for a tree, correct? So have you seen around tree? So there's none. So that is why starting from now on, we use we just use the S tool. Okay, so okay, let's start.
Sir,
Capture
can we use G tool?
G. Arc tool, it's hard. It's hard. So later I'll show you a technique which I do to capture the trees more faster. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
uh so let's continue. So first, start right here, guys. For grounds, big grounds, you need to exclude. So for example, like this one, this is an obvious road. Okay, so we just cut this. This is what I do. Okay, so since using your left click, it's very tiring on the fingers, right? So you use S and then just hold letter D as in dog and then just proceed to cut. That's what I do. It's much faster that way and it's much easier on my fingers. So to repair, use Z, switch to D. See, it's much faster than using click. You can use click if you want, but I think using D is much more easier on my finger. So you just use the repair tool for that one. Z, repair tool. So you can ignore small errors such as this one, okay? So no need to be precise, no need to be perfect as long that we don't have big errors. So the small grounds, you can ignore for those. This one, this is a big miss. So if you do it like this, that's fine. Just take note, you need to avoid weird spikes or weird shapes. So people normally draw it like this. So that is wrong. I think this is fine, but avoid avoid doing like this. So this shape is not normal. So S, hold D, and this is good enough. Okay? So for small misses like this one, you can ignore for them. Guys, you need to differentiate, you need to delete shrubs. Okay? So there were last time there were people who captured shrubs because the AI defaultly captured them as trees, so which is wrong. Okay, so you need to differentiate between a shrub and a tree. So those are two different things. Okay? Shrub, this is a shrub. Okay? It's much more much more smaller than a tree. So compared to tree, a tree is much bigger, is much taller. A shrub is shorter. So for shrub, we do not need to capture for them. Okay? So full streaming ba? Yes, S and D. Okay, so since our can someone restream please? Can someone restream? Thank you. So guys, please use please just see RYJRS streaming for the meantime, okay? So I can move to what do you call this? To Google Meet, but it just takes too much time. Okay? So RJR, please mute your mic. Guys, please mute your mic if not in use. RJR, sir, please mute your mic. Oh, thank you. So let's continue. So far, questions? Okay, so let's continue. For small errors such as this one, you can ignore for them. Okay, so but this one is it's a bit too big. Use the repair tool. For grounds, you can ignore for them. Small grounds. This might be trees. So let's just use the D and then close. Miss trees. So hold D, S, this one, Z, and then hold D. So whichever tools you want to use, as long that uh, you are comfortable with the tool that you are using, then it's fine. You can use your mic, you can use your mouse click, it's fine. Guys, when labeling on the boundary, okay, labeling like this is not allowed. Okay, you are not allowed to draw over the boundary. So you can either use the E filling tool to draw it like that, or if you use S, let's say you use S, be sure to use our boundary clipper. The shortcut key is letter Y. Okay? Make sure to cut on the boundary. Drawing over the boundary is not allowed because our neighboring task, will have a hard time connecting to our task. Okay? So again, if you draw on the boundary, you either use letter E or you can use the boundary clipper. You can click on this or you can just press Y. Whichever do you want, whichever you prefer, as long that you cut on the boundary. Okay? So this one, we need to capture missing 3. And I think this is good enough to submit. Okay? So guys, please, we do not need to be precise. We do not need to be exact for this one. This is good enough. Okay? But for this one, I think this is a big ground. So we need to exclude for this one. Okay, so this is good enough. So let's submit. Let's pull another task. Guys, for this project, you will use your labeler IDs, okay? So let's fix this one. So Z, repair tool. So this is good enough. If you're not sure, you can just ignore. But I think this is a shrub. So I'll delete this one. Fake. Be sure to delete fake
Sir,
trees.
sir,
Yes.
sometimes we get confused between sharp and like
Shrub and trees.
trees because the shadows, because sharp, sometimes sharp has shadows and trees has shadows as
Uh,
well. So we get confused. So how we distinguish between sharp and trees?
so you can just compare the height of both. So this is a tree. It's much more bigger. It's much more fuller. it has more leaves compared to shrubs, especially on the deserts. Okay, so there were maps. I've seen people asking me if there were shrubs. Normally, guys, on the desert, we don't have trees. Those are normally shrubs. So I think the AI intends to capture them as trees. So you need to delete for those. Okay, so our
So we
prod,
need to see the we need to see the height as well, the tree's
yes, yes.
height.
Yes, you can actually you can just check if it is tall enough, then you can capture it as trees. So guys,
Okay, sir. Thank
I
you.
suggest you do not need to spend too much time. Okay, so work as fast as
So,
you
so
can.
minimum, how much time can we take for one map?
So actually, our benchmark depends on the difficulty. So Sir Paul, I think that the benchmark updated for its difficulty, the number of edits. But it's also you also need to submit more maps as much as possible in order for you to earn more. Okay, so the more maps you submit, the higher your output, the more pay you can get.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I suggest you do not need to think too much time on the benchmark. Just do your uh, task properly, avoid too much errors, because if you submit a map without checking it, for example, there are too many misses, the reviewer or the checker can flag your task. So let's say if you continue submitting those kind of errors, your map will be uh, mass pushback, meaning all of your tasks can be pushed back and be reset. So at least you should be careful. Okay. So let's continue. I think you can
Okay, sir.
label this
Thank you.
as a tree capture. So trees, capture for them. It's the same height as a building. So I think it can be considered as a tree. I'm not sure with this one. You can just ignore miss this one, a big miss, right? So let's capture them using Z repair tool. Sure, this might be a tree. Guys, I'm sorry for the background noise. Delete fake. Always delete fake trees. Remember. Also, for big grounds, you need to delete for them. So I think I'm done with this project. I forgot this one. And this one. So our neighbor will just connect with our task. And this is good enough to submit. So let's try a few more maps and then you can all start working. So actually, I think the tab is very newbie friendly. Actually, this tab is made for you guys for you to work on so that you can start earning. You can master the tools. You can master our workflow. Okay, so these are shrubs. Okay, these are shrubs marked as trees. So we need to delete for them. See, if you compare the building, it's much more shorter compared to buildings. So just delete for them. So no trees. No, let's just submit. So this thing, yes, yes. So it's quite challenging, even for tenords. So tenord meaning though our long-term labelers, they sometimes struggle with this one. So it's fine. It's normally fine. You do not need to be pressure with that. It's fine. So for this one, use Z tool. As long that you don't have any weird shape. So I think there's a lot of miss on this map. Yes. Oh, so guys, if you get a map like this one, don't be afraid to edit. Okay, so again, since our benchmark is paid by the difficulty, it also matters the number of edits you do. So you don't be afraid to edit. Trees, this one. So miss big part, a big part missing. So let's just finish this one and then you can start. So I think these are shrubs, trees. Oh, so copying is not working. See, it's much more taller than even though it's small, it's taller than the car. So I think we can mark this as 3. Big part missing. Trees, missing trees. So again, on the boundary, we need to use E tool, feeding tool. So again, missing tree. So there's a lot of missing trees. So you get paid also by editing. So don't worry. So the number of tasks you submit, the edits, how fast do you work? It's a combination of all. So your rate will reflect all of them. Hmm. So again, missing trees. So be careful with this single missing trees, guys. You need to capture for them, okay? So there's a lot. In the backyard, in front of homes, there's a lot of missing trees. This is wrong. So I'll just delete this and then just redraw. This one also. A weird spike. So this is not allowed. Same with this one. So again, this is wrong. So the AI included big ground, which is supposed. I think this is a shrub. So let's just delete for this one. Z. Actually, that was good enough to submit. So trees. This one. Big part missing. Repair tool. Z. Z. Guys, it's fine if you there are times that you can miss, no, it's quite normal for you to miss some trees, so don't get very pressured, no? As long that you don't have very many misses, so it's the checker won't flag you for auto passing, meaning you submitted a task without checking it. So there were a lot of people used to do that, but all of their accounts were shut down. Okay, so because it causes delays. This one, big ground. Okay, so I think we're done. Fake 3, delete, recapture. Yeah, I think we're done. Oh, let's just exclude this one. Big grounds. Miss. Guys, for trees that don't have leaves, for example, like this one. So normally we have different seasons, right? We have 4 seasons on different places. For example, the United States, we have around 4 seasons there. So if for example, you get a map that has fall season on them, so the trees won't have leaves. Okay? So but for those trees that don't have leaves, we still need to capture for them. Okay? So if you get a tree like this that don't have leaves, you need to capture for them. It depends on the season, guys. Okay? So this is good enough to submit. And so let's submit. So for invalid geometry, normally, uh, same with kickback. Okay? So these spikes, it causes topology error. So invalid geometry, kickback, things like that. So all you need to do is to just use the repair tool to cut the area out. And then this is good enough to submit. Okay, guys. So far, do you have any questions? Please, if you have questions, ask them now. So there were quite a few people last time complaining. They said they don't understand the training, but every time I end the training, I always ask if there are questions. Kahit isa na lang. Okay, so okay, just one map, and then how about our international people, international friends?
Understand, sir. You taught us very well.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So let's just finish this map, and then you guys can start. So okay, so normally on the parking lots there will be trees like this one. So you need to capture for them, even though it's very what you call this one meticulous or tiring on the fingers again. So but we need to capture for them. We cannot exclude these trees. Again, we need to capture every single one. Okay? So let's just finish this map, and then you guys can start. Delete. I think this is a weird shape. So if I use the repair tool, I have to repair on the top again. So it's much better to delete and then just redraw. But I suggest, guys, do not delete and redraw, okay? It's much more time consuming. So for this one, I think this is good enough. 3, another 3, another mystery. The shape is weird. So yeah, I think these are trees also. But the rest should be shrubs. This one, the tree. And then this is good enough to submit. Oh, forgot this one.
Sir,
Shrub.
you captured one by one. Can we make a group of 4 trees you just capture one by one there?
But you will include the ground. This is a very big ground. So if you capture it like this, see the ground is very obvious. Not unless if the trees have big the trees let's say if the
Big
ground
leaves
is
like
a bit small, then it's fine. But this one is I think the ground is a bit big. So you need to capture them individually. Okay?
okay,
So it's on the
okay, sir.
rules, we need to exclude big grounds. Uh are so guys, any more questions? So, if none, then guys, you can start working on the LC tab. For our BR, okay, so